In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair the Amazfit Neo Smart Watch to a smartphone, and also I'll take you through the initial steps of setting up this particular smartwatch. Firstly, we have to download and install a particular app. If you look at the user manual, you will see this particular QR code right here. I'll show it, I'll bring it close to the camera there. This particular QR code. So I'm going to scan it and install the app that it supports. Let me do that quickly. And here we are, Google Lens. And I have a code right here. I'm going to click on that. And it's going to load. Just give it a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds rather. So now I will download the Zepp app. Open in Play Store. Always open in Play Store because, well, it's safer. Install. And now we are going to wait for this app to install. Meanwhile, you can see that this is what the smartwatch display actually looks like. Nothing is set up right now. Everything has to be done. So you can do that using the app. You can do that manually as well. But let's wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Then we will move forward. Okay, so we are installing and we are going to open this app. Well, I have to sign in. I'm creating a new account. Let me just show this. Bring this closer to the camera so you can see. Just reduce the brightness just a little bit. Signed up successfully. Great. Yeah, we have to select the details over here as well. So I'm male, date of birth. Well, literally anything will do right now. I'm going to select something a little default-ish. Okay, and save. We have height at 171. Let's get that. Weight at 65. Let's save that. And let's keep the other stuff at default for now. And we are done. Saved successfully. On steps, got it. Allow. And that's it. You will see there's a small message over here that says no paired devices. Tap to pair. We're going to do just that. I'm going to tap. Alright, I tapped again. Now we're getting a lot of options here like watch, band, earbuds, scale, treadmill, smart shoes. I'm going to click on watch. Okay, allow. Got it. And watch with the QR code, watch without a QR code. We can try the watch with the QR code thing. Let's try that. Okay, I don't have a QR code. Let's do watch without a QR code. And it has already searched for an Amazfit Neo. And I'm going to click on the Amazfit Neo. I don't know if you can see this. They're showing Amazfit Neo. I'm going to click on this. Connecting. So once this is paired, the time you will see the actual time. Right now the time here is 0000, but once it's paired, it's going to show the actual time. And I'm going to select. I have to press the select button over here. It's saying that, look, it's saying click on the select button on the left hand side. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Here I am. I'm going to click on the select button. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It started pairing. Paired successfully, restoring watch settings. And now you see you have the actual time. The time just changed from 000 to 3:49 or 15:49, whichever format you prefer. And the watch is now paired. It's updating to the latest version, which is always welcome. Just wait for that to happen. %, battery remaining, it's showing. And that's it, we are now paired. Let's see what other stuff we can do. Let's try to do a find watch thing. I'm just going to click on that. The moment I do this, you see the phone has now started beeping. This is a useful tool that you can use in case you lose your smartwatch and you can't find it anywhere. You can use this option to look for it. And that's it. That's how you set up and pair the Amazfit Neo smartwatch to a smartphone. Thank you for watching.